Okay, the reason why you should stop on the way to the Mediterranean in Graz is because it's just a beautiful city to visit in addition to the places you know like Vienna or Salzburg. Graz is Austria's foodie capital, so we love to eat and drink. We love to spend the day in summers outside in the restaurants with a glass of wine with our friends. And it's the place where you feel welcome. We in Graz welcome you not as a tourist, we have you as a local, a temporary local in the city. So that means when you visit Graz, you will always mix and mingle with the locals. Speak to us, play with us, have fun with us. Our city offers not only good food, but also beautiful architecture, lots of nature. It's a very green city, and you get the first glimpse of a Mediterranean vibe, because the city is already influenced by a lot of Italian architects. So we love Italy, we love their lifestyle. So if you make a stop in Graz, it's the perfect introduction into your holidays later on.